Say you have a big doc file to work on, like your project or maybe your notes, and now you want to extract some particular pages from this file. So what are you gonna do? You are gonna copy from that file and paste in new file and create a new file. This is what you are gonna do there. But today in this video I will tell you how to split a big doc file into multiple small files, how to extract any, say your file is like 50 pages and you want to extract 39th number page. So how to do this with just one click within 30 seconds you will learn in this episode. So stay till the end. Let's start now. So first we need a sample content here. Let me just have some sample content here. Now we have a lots of, so to able to achieve this we should have our doc properly formatted. Properly formatted does not means like you have headings with bold and italic or something like, but rather your headings should be in proper heading 1 heading 2 format. I already in multiple times told you like how to do this, so you can learn from there. Let me just have include some headings. Heading 1, this is heading 2, this is heading 2, and let's have some heading in new page. This is a heading 3. Okay, very quickly let's have a heading 4 in new page as well. Heading 4. Now our formatting is done. Heading 4, yeah, now our formatting is properly done. It's time to break this file into multiple pages. You see this file is of 4 pages. Okay, and to break like say we want to extract from heading 4 part in new file, new page. So how to do so? For this, you need to go in view and then outline. Remember every option clearly. Here you need all headings. Remember you can have same level of headings as well as different levels of heading. I created here different levels of headings intentionally, and here you can see labels, and here you can see all labels. Label 2, heading 2 is showing here. If I click on label 3, then let 3 label heading are showing, and I created 4 label headings. So 4 label headings are here visible. And now if you want all pages in new page, then you can select all, Control A, then click show documents. From here you can go create. Let me show this, but my purpose is here to select only heading 4 and create it in new page. So whatever page you want to have as a new page, then select that one, and let me first close it, and again go on view, then outline, and here label 4 I want to extract. So I am selecting this one and show document, and here we need to click on create. So this one is created, and if we click on save, let me save this on desktop. I am saving in desktop as heading 1. Okay, so here I saved it. Now our document is saved. It's processing still. Word is saving heading 4. Now saving process is finished. Let's see our document is created or not. I saved it as heading 1, and this is the complete document, and heading 4 was the document we wanted to extract. So heading 4, you can see here heading 4 section appeared as a new page. You can see, let me open the previous document. This one is closing this. This was our main document. You can see, yeah, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and this is heading 4 on page 3. We extracted this. I wanted to save this as new document. This is its whole content, and if we saved it as heading 4, you can see here. Yeah, so this is how we extract a specific page or split a single MS Word file into multiple files. I hope you understood all the steps, and let us know comments if you still face any problems.